Yo, what's up? We got a new update for the Gamepad control. I got a lot of requests to be able to use multiple controllers at once. So now you can lock up to 4 individual separate controllers. And we also have a new device, companion device, that allows to send vibration to the controllers who support it with bass. So you can put it just on drum racks or your master track, and every time there's a bass frequency, it will vibrate the controller, kind of give a bit more feedback to our playing. Let's check it out. Okay, so let me load the Gamepad control. And I have a PlayStation 4 controller here. Let me connect that. And for the PlayStation 4 controllers, we do have to go to the Bluetooth settings and identify them. Okay, nice. I got it going on. I also have a Nintendo 64. This is just a USB edition, and it's already connected. So I can already play it. And if I play on the PlayStation, it doesn't do anything because right now it's locked to player 1. If I go player 2, now I can play it on my PlayStation 4 controller. So that means I can load another Gamepad control, or let's say a different track. And here I can have it on the Switch, and this is the first track is on the PlayStation. So you can have up to 4 controllers. If anyone needs more, just let me know. But I figure 4 controllers is a lot. Probably most people use 2, maybe 3, but we have 4 here. Now, this will go away as soon as you use the touchpad, just so because we can see the values right here of the X and Y. But it's there to lock 2 controllers. And if you can't tell, just go over them and you'll see, immediately touch some buttons, you'll see which one is which player number. Nice. Now, I'm going to open up the settings here. And under the extra, we do have this, I kind of rearranged this, we do have these vibrations on and off. So if I turn this on, you can load a companion device. So you can put it after a drum rack if you want. And you can put it on your master track. Here we go. We have a bass here. And I'm going to load this device. It's in the same folder called Gamepad Control Haptic Bass Companion. Just load it after. Nice. And let's also turn on the vibration. This is the intensity. Obviously, you can't see or hear it. But when I play the bass, it's vibrating my controller. Here's the threshold. You'll see the threshold if I take it too high. It's not going to trigger. But that's going to trigger the threshold. And you can also put it on a different track. And maybe on the track here if you want, if you have loops running or whatnot. Let's do a full loop here. Launch it. Take down the threshold. Here we go. Okay, and I feel it vibrating. So just another addition if you want some more feedback for the controllers who support this vibration, this haptic feedback. That's it. Game Control 1.5. You can download it from your Gumroad account or just look for your email. I send an email to all the existing customers. Thank you. I'll catch you next time.